Check this out, this is the brand new 18 volt 3x360 multi-line green laser from Dewalt. Now I managed to get my hands here on an early sample from the States where it says 20 volt. The Australian release will say 18 volt, but the tools will be identical. This laser is powered by 18 volt batteries, which is really convenient, but it's also backwards compatible with Dewalt's smaller 12 volt batteries too. It's got three 360 degree self-leveling green beam lasers, suitable for numerous applications. Each laser turns on and off individually by the buttons on the front of the power pack. It's got a fine adjustment knob which rotates the laser on the base so you can precisely line up those two vertical lasers with your work. In terms of accuracy, plus or minus 3 millimeters at 10 meters. It's got a working range of 35 meters with the naked eye, and if you've got a detector, you can work with this laser up to 50 meters. Indoors, that green beam laser is really easy to see, even in a brightly lit room like my workshop. It's got your standard threaded mounts, 1/4 and 5/8 of an inch, so you can mount it on just about any tripod. The mount's fitted with a bunch of really strong magnets as well, so you can stick it on a steel stud. And when you're finished with it at the end of the day, make sure you just lock off the pendulum for safe transport. I did a quick runtime test running all three lasers at the same time, and with a 4 amp hour 18 volt battery, I got almost 31 hours of consecutive runtime. And with a 12 volt 3 amp hour battery, I got 9 hours. It'll be available in early 2021 in both a skin and a combo kit with battery and charger. So keep your eyes peeled, your local Sydney Tools store. Make sure you subscribe to our socials as well for all the latest news. And if you got any questions on this laser, make sure you hit me up in that comment section down below. Until next time, I'm Tim. Thanks for watching Sydney Tools TV.